Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries free, let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow, and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth like a blooming flower. In the quiet, we're never sour. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow, and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth like a blooming flower. In the quiet, we're never sour. In the quiet, we're never sour. Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew.